Hi! In front of me is iPad mini 4 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now scroll down, select Touch ID and passcode, click on Turn Passcode On and click on Passcode Options. Select one of them by tapping on the chosen one. Enter your passcode. Tap Next at the top right corner. In your case, you need to click on Change Passcode and select the other one because this one is definitely too easy, but I will, for example, click on Use anyway and enter it again. Then tap down at the top right corner, and when I click Home button and go back, then turn off my screen, turn it back on. I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!